Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Zapper decoder if you are living in Nigeria. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote, you press on the blue logo, which is the Dstv button, to take you to the menu, and then on this page all you got to do is to use the arrow left and right keys and then look for settings. Okay, so settings, you come down to the satellite settings. Alright, and come down to the home network, you press OK on it. Alright, so here come down to launch installation wizard, you press OK to proceed. And with the satellite, all you got to do is to select the satellite, the E36B. You don't have to change it. Alright, so you come down here and then you press OK to move on. Alright, on this page you have to select the manual setup and you press OK to proceed. With the LMB type, if only they install it. With the Dstv universal LMB, you have to select this one, but if they use a smart LMB, which maybe they insert in a unique cable port, you need to change it to a unique cable TM/SAT-CR. But normally the Zapper HD comes along with a universal LMB, so you need to select the LMB to be the universal and then you press OK to proceed. Okay, so on the right side of the page you're gonna find out that there is a signal monitor over there. You have to make sure that the indicator have filled up, whether into the middle or somehow there have to be some indicator over there that will show that you have a signal on the decoder. If nothing shows up, meaning there is no signal on your decoder, so you need to check whether the signal cable or the satellite is to get a signal. So come down here and then you press OK to scan. Alright, Alright, so after scanning, all you got to do is to enjoy your channels. But if it's a new decoder, you have to call the Dstv office and then you submit the IUC number of the decoder. You're gonna find it at the back of the decoder and they will do the activation for you. Alright, thanks for watching. If you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bless up.